Welcome back, dear children. And now we are seeing how to use the article a and an. Just recap of two slides before we saw where to use a and where to use an. Right? Used before words. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sounds. What are consonant sound actually? What are consonants first? A, B, C, D till Z are all consonants, isn't it? No, except A, E, I, O, U, all other letters are all called consonant. In A to Z, A, E, I, O, U alone are called vowels and all other letters are consonants, right? But some letters will have vowel sound also that we will learn in detail, right? So consonant sound, you have to keep in mind consonant sound, not the consonant letter, consonant sound. Example, a man, a lamp, a cat, right? Next is where to use an. An is used before words that begins with a vowel sound. So we saw that A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Vowel sound. Okay. A sound. An apple. An eraser. An umbrella. All these are examples for vowel letters and vowel sound. And before that we are using an. Right. Now a or an should agree with the first sound in the adjectives or adverb-adjective combination which stands before a noun. See, for example, an 80-year-old man. So, 80, the word a sound is coming, right? So, we have to use an there, vowel sound, 80. So, a sound is there. We are using an 80-year-old man. A golden necklace. Go, golden. G sound, consonant sound. So, we are using a golden necklace. A pretty girl. P sound. It's a consonant sound. So, we are using a pretty girl. Right? Is it clear, dear? Now, use a before words, letter, numbers which sound like they begin with the consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. Even if the first letter is vowel A, E, I, O, U, if it sounds like a consonant sound, then we have to use A. Three examples I'll say you. Okay. A hero. E. Hero. Euro. How you will pronounce? Euro. So a euro, a university, a one. So W sound is coming. University, it's not U, that's university, a euro, right? All these are exceptional cases where even though the vowel letter E, U and 1 are there, you are in a position to use a. Next, an. We use an before the words or letters, numbers, which sound like they start with a vowel and even if the first letter is a consonant. All these are exceptional cases which you have to be very careful, right? For example, an R, H-O-U-R-H, starting letter is H, but R, O sound is coming. An F, E sound. An 8, A sound. So, an R, an F, an 8. So, all these are not vowel. It's all consonant letters. But even though we have to use an because of the vowel sound. Right? So, Here some of the examples are given and you have to go through it and tick whether it is correct or not. A, indefinite article, that you know. A is used when the next word begin with a consonant sound. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, then L, M, N, etc. A book, a table, a clock. Is it a book or an book? That you have to tick. A table or an table. A clock or an clock. Right? And it's an indefinite article and is used when the next word begins with the vowel sound. That is A, E, I, O, U. That also you know. So I'm giving you some example. You have to tick whether it is an or a. An apple or a apple. An elephant or a elephant. An umbrella or a umbrella. All these are first standard level. The definite article. So use the with something that is unique or there is only one. Please keep in mind there is unique or there is only one. Unique in the sense nothing is equivalent to that. Only one thing is present. The sun, the moon, the internet. The second time you talk about the same noun, I bought a shirt, the shirt is red. I bought a shirt, the shirt is red. First time I'm using the word a. Second time with the same shirt, I'm using the word the. Then directions, cardinal points for north, east, west, south, everything we will use the. The west, the east, the north, the south. Right? So next is when to use no article. All these slides before we saw where to use a, an and the. So when to use no article to talk about things in general. For example, milk is good for you. If I say milk is good for you, I'm using the noun milk here. So what I said is before a noun you have to use the article, right? So M is a consonant. So you have to use A, isn't it? But here we are not using any article. So to talk about things in general, milk is good for you. Milk, even though it starts with a consonant, letter and consonant sound, we are not using any article. Second point is to talk about sports and games. When you are talking about any sports or game, tennis, basketball, hockey, etc., whatever game it is, we should not use any article over there. Okay, example. Let's go and play basketball. Let's go and play basketball. Here, most of the children, the basket, they will use the word the. Let's go and play the basketball. Let's go and play the hockey. All these they will say, and it is exactly and absurd. It is wrong. Please don't use the or any article before sports. Right? Let's go and play basketball. That's it. And the third point is before the names of countries. Example, Japan, France, Italy, etc. Except UK and US. For UK and US, we will use the UK and the US. Apart from that, all other names of countries, we will use no article. And the fourth point is before the name of a language. Before the name of language, you should not use any article. We are learning English. Okay. So when you are sending a message, ma'am, I completed the English homework, that is wrong. I completed my English homework. I completed my Tamil homework. So whenever you are using name of a language, you should not use any article over there. We are learning English. I completed my English homework, right? So before the names of railway station, when they are also place name. Before the names of railway station, when they are also place names, you should not use any article there. And the sixth point is before the names of meals. Meals, they invited some friends to dinner. Okay. So before dinner, you should not use any article. They invited some friends to dinner. That's all. You should not use the or a or and. No article should be there. Is it clear? So before noun and number. Noun and number. What is that? So the lab is in room 6 on the third floor. So room 6. Room 6 is a noun and a number. Before that, we should not use any article. Right? Is it clear? So 7 points I said. So let us recap all the 7 points where we should not use article. So no article should be used. First point is to talk about things in general, to talk about sports and games, then before the names of countries, before the names of language, before the names of railway station when they are also place names, before the names of meals, and before number plus name. I mean noun plus number. The seventh point is before noun and number. Right? Is it clear? Now, the article the is used in geographical names, most of the geographical names, right? So whenever we are using directions, I told you the north, the south, the east, and the west. Apart from that, unions of countries and states, the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Okay, all these are most common mistakes we will do. Next, groups of islands, the Philippines, the Caribbean, the Canaries, extra, all these group of islands, we will use the. Then seas, the Mediterranean, the Black Sea, the Red Sea, the Nile, all these are seas. Gulfs, you all know what is Gulf, right? The Gulf Stream, the Persian Gulf, the Finland Gulf, all Gulf. Before that, we have to use the article the. Then group of lakes will be there. The Great Lakes, then the Sharks Lakes. Whenever the group of lakes are there, you have to use the. Then rivers, the Amazon River, the Danube, and Dnipro. All these are famous rivers, and before that, the canals and channels, the English Channel, the Panama Canal, the Suez Canal, channels and canals, you have to use the Panama Canal, the Suez Canal, the English Channel, right? Poles, before poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Republics, the Czech Republic, the Republic of Cuba, the Congo, right? The Arctic and Antarctic, polar regions, Rocky Mountains, all that. Oceans, the Pacific, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Then regions of countries, the American Midwest, right? Etc. And the desert, the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert, the Karakum, etc. So I told you test, but time is not there. So first three questions are displayed here. Next three and the next three. So totally 12 questions. I'm going to conduct test, children. So please take a screenshot of these 12 questions and write test, send me the marks. Is it clear here? Thank you so